For Abu.
Film.
Not for YouTube.
Why? He's checking his feathers.
Chicken feathers.
Should we make them get out? Should we go?
Oh, he pecked me. Look at his head. That thing. This one get bigger.
Oh, they're like.
Why is the lid off the food
I don't know.
thing?
They're little.
I know, they're little.
I can't believe they're this little. Oh, does it thing quickly eat him?
Ooh, oh. The bug, win. Did he get it? He got it. Huh?
He got it.
He did. He just ate it now.
Not eating your feather.
He ate feather.
And the bug.
Don't be a stunt chicken again like that. Should we let them go?
Yeah, quickly.
No. Let him get off himself, then we'll let them go. Get off! I'm joking. Don't be sad. Okay, let's pick him up. This ain't chicken abuse.
This is happy abuse.
This is just training.
Yeah, to see if
Look.
it's calm.
Okay. Put it down.
Keep it like this. Don't let my one go up, your one stay down.
Don't do that, man.
My
That's
one
sad.
up, your one down. You know, your one up, my one down.
Get me food.
Okay, what kind of food?
The coon.
You want to eat corn? Okay.
No, for him.
Oh,
Just
you?
get
Oh,
it.
okay.
Don't get in a pot. Just give me all of it. No, not all of it. I mean, like.
Can I give you all of them?
No. Get in that cup, remember? Oh, yeah, just give me it.
I'll give you all I have.
That's not all you have. Oh, sorry.
Joe. Chickens. Lay an egg for me. Look at his neck. Oh.
They like this a lot. They're just not hungry.
Joe.
Take the stick out. Take the stick out.
Joel, I want like this. Look. Joel.
And one. Shh. Eat it.
Joel, I want like this. Look.
Just leave it.
And it
Let's let
bounced
them go.
on this. And bounced on this and hit the other chick.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Go, chickens.
Yes.
Go.
Yeah, he doesn't want to.
No.
He doesn't know
Yes.
what else. Oh, shit, is it showing my head? It doesn't matter because you're going to give it to Abu, isn't it? Did it show my head though? Wait, I'm going to pick it up and then. Yeah, no.
No.
Okay, keep it down. Show them my thumb.